Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It is garlic time today. I'm going to make a delicious pasta dish. It is going to be vegetarian today, but you can easily add in some chicken meat if you like to. There's going to be lots of Parmesan cheese in there and 10 cloves of garlic. Yum! And heavy cream. It is delicious. So let's just begin. I'm just going to boil some penne pasta on the side, and you can use whatever pasta you like and just boil it after your package. In a pot I am going to add in some extra virgin olive oil, then in some chopped red onion and some crushed garlic, and lots of it, 10 cloves. Then in with some tomato passata, salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, heavy cream, then I've just shredded some fresh Parmesan into a measuring cup so I could see how much I had, and then just add it into the sauce. In with lots of chopped parsley. All I have to do now is just to add in my penne pasta, and I'm just going to add most of it first and then the rest after it's all well mixed, just so it doesn't go all over the sides. After that, the pasta is done, ready to be served in some plates with some Parmesan cheese on top and some chopped parsley. Let's give it a go. I love garlic so much. Cheese, cream, yum. It is such a delicious recipe for dinner or an easy lunch. And if you want meat in here, you can either serve some chicken on the side or add some chicken breast in here, or whatever meat you like. It is just delicious. All ingredients are down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!